Hi, my name is Mahima and I'm the founder and creative director of a company called Choreography by Mahima, which is a dance and choreography company. And we specialize in everything from weddings, corporate events, workshops. We have our own in-house troupe as well. And now we're also specializing in online classes. So it's been a really major setback that we've experienced this season. This season was supposed to be incredible for us. Coronavirus has impacted, I think, all of us from the wedding industry, tourism industry, and corporates as well. The celebrations that they used to have, whether it be off-site or workshops or annual days for that matter, that they used to conduct for their employees. So yes, it has been a really big setback, and in the coming days, looking forward, we actually don't know what's gonna happen. So everything is changing by the moment. So we're just taking everything as is, and we're trying to brainstorm and come up with new ideas as to how to engage people and how to create a bigger audience and reach out to more people. So we are doing online classes, and we're conducting Zoom sessions as well for people out there, whether it be weddings or corporates. We're connecting with all of them as much as we can, and yeah. So, like I said, as a wedding professional, I'm sure everybody in the wedding industry is going through what we are going through right now. And choreography is going to take a step back. We as wedding pros are just taking it as it comes, but we are also, me and my team are also trying to do a lot of new things, brainstorm on what we can do for our existing clientele and also to create new clientele. So yes, we are optimistic and positive, and we look forward to November, December and 2021 for sure. We are hoping to get a lot of work then, and next year is definitely going to be non-stop work, absolutely. So when it comes to wedding choreography, I feel like people who are going to wait it out and probably do bigger weddings, maybe next year, or even we don't know what the situation is going to be in December. So we're hoping if there are bigger weddings, there is going to be scope of them hiring a choreographer to, make their celebration more unique and more fun. So yes, we are hopeful, and although there is going to be a slash in the number of clients we have, from maybe 10 to half of that, which is 5, but I'm sure people who want to hire and want to create memories which are unique and different are definitely looking at hiring good choreographers for their wedding choreography and for their celebrations. For engagement activities, we're doing a lot of online classes and sessions on Instagram and Facebook, and we're doing quite a lot of Zoom sessions as well for our corporates, and we're also really soon opening it up to audiences to just stay at home, dance together with your family, have fun. So we have been keeping quite busy during this lockdown, doing a lot of engagement activities with brands as well. There are plenty of brands that have approached us and told us to do engagement activities for their audiences on their channels. So yeah, it's been going great. So we're looking forward to a really good 2020 end, and 2021. The whole year is going to be a lot of constant work, so we're hoping for the best. And also, thank you so much, Ruchika and Plush, for approaching us and coming out to us and telling us to do this for you guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys stay safe and stay home and stay positive and dance with us, of course. Yes, lots of love.